Okay, let's set up a Google Classroom. So right here is a plus sign. You're allowed to join a class or create a class. We're going to create a class. If students were joining, you would click on the plus and choose join. So here is the class we're going to create. We're going to call it curriculum class. Click create and then wait a second, because at this point it's got to make all kinds of, there we go, all kinds of adjustments. So you know what, we're not a chemistry class, so we're going to change this to something very cool. How about some rock and roll? Yeah, I think we're a rock and roll kind of class. Okay, and so now to get started, I'm going to create an announcement. My announcement is going to be, hello, watch this video. And yes, I really do have a video for you. You may have seen it before, but that's okay. If you haven't, you're going to really enjoy it. Let's go back. Okay, and so now to connect, all I did was copy my URL. I'm going to paste it here. Uh-oh. Let me try that one more time. Copy and paste. There we go. Yes, this is the one I want. So I click and I add and I'm going to post. Okay, so now when you join my class, I'm going to show you how to do that in just a second. Then you will get to watch this really wonderful video. Hopefully it'll make you laugh. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to create, how about a question? And so the question is, what did you think about the video? And if I have multiple students, I will let you edit your answer before you, if you mess up, you can go back and you can reply to each other. It is a short answer. I'm not going to put a due date. I'm not really worried about a topic. So I click ask. Now, this is backwards, isn't it? I better move my video to the top. No problem. Move it to the top. Now, when you see it, you'll see the video first and then the question for discussion. Okay, so how do you join? Well, it's really easy. If you would like to really try it and see how it goes, all you have to do is go to Google Classroom, and the beginning screen that you saw here where I clicked the plus and said create a class, you're going to join a class. And when you join the class, this is the code you type in. If you type this code in, you'll see that you are now a member of this class. Got it? Okay, I'm going to exit out. Stream is where the assignments are. Okay, so as you can see, it's pretty easy. I'll be able to see who did it, who didn't do it, and grade you accordingly. Enjoy!